Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Temu. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. I've seen ads about Temu everywhere in the last few months, and saying something again and again sparked curiosity to try it. So last week I downloaded Temu to my phone. They made me spin a wheel, and I won a 100% voucher. I spin again and won another 100% voucher. I did this 5 times and I won 100% voucher. Is it real? I was also surprised, excited, and suspicious, and as they said, every product on the website in the very category was too cheap. So I stopped right away and typed, "Is Temu legit?" on Google. So I read a lot of review articles and Reddit posts. I even talked to my friend about it and got mixed answer. So Temu is an online shopping mega store with a website and an app. It's making buzz around the world because of the it's heavily discount products, almost any product, and can imagine it's probably on Temu less than $10. The low prices, big bargains, and insane discount make many shopper ask, "Is Temu safe to order from?" So in this video, we'll show you how to turn on the two-factor authentication on your Temu app. It's very simple. So you can go to the settings by tap on you in here. You can go on the up right corner here. Now you can go to account security and you'll find there is an option two-factor authentication. You can turn on by tapping here. Turn on. You can add your new password. Now you can submit. Protect your account with extra security. You can choose an option to get started. We'll just choose phone number. Tap on continue. Or if you want to use Authenticator app, you can just choose on Authenticator app and tap on continue. You can open your Authenticator app and scan this QR code, or you can just enter this key to your app and enter the 6-digit code from your app. You should see the code in your app after you scan. After that, you finish, enable the two-factor authentication on your Temu apps. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on two-factor authentication on Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!